I go now, that best beauty. Yeah.
So how do I become a millionaire? How do I become that person to get or to have
the same way you became poor?
Okay. That's okay.
I said that so that it's
Yes.
quite easier to understand.
I understand, yeah.
Because one of the things people fail to realize is that it took time for you to become poor. But you want to become a millionaire in 90 days. No, it took 15 years of your life to be taught repeatedly that you are poor, you are poor, you are poor. So you need to give yourself, that's why, you know that there are people I've met that I know that not in this lifetime again, they can't be rich.
Hey. Not in this lifetime again.
It's one of the harshest realities that you are talking to someone and you can tell that this person is already too occupied to go through the rudiments of what will make the person rich. There's a way life can occupy you. You can't give attention to what's important. So because you wake up in the morning, first thing first, what kind of areas did you wake up in? The first thing you heard was Ekaro Omologide. If you're Yoruba, you know what that means. You are hearing people walking around you. Then your neighbors are fighting because someone took their bucket of water. Then they chased you away from school because you could not pay school fees. Look at what has happened to you just in 24 hours. Then you trek to school, you trek back home. Then your mommy is saying, I don't know what you are going to eat for night. Or you even grew up in the place where your mom had to fight your dad for money. And all these things, you didn't know they were dropping deposit in you. The same thing, you need a change of environment. There was a time I told the guy, it was in a conference, it was in a virtual conference. The guy asked me that, I'm living in the worst of environments. What can you recommend to me to change my life? I said, I know what you're expecting is for me to say, go and read a book. But I said, even if you pick up a book, you will read it from the lens of who you are.
True.
That's why you can read, think, and grow rich and never become rich.
True.
So I told him, I said, go and find a job, even if it's a gateman job, in a rich environment. I said, all you just do is just keep observing them. We underestimate what association does. What sharing something repeatedly. Even Bible says faith cometh by hearing and hearing. You underestimate what you become just by putting yourself in an environment where you are hearing wealth, where you are seeing wealth, where you are doing all those things. There's a reason why I said on the podcast that yes. You will never hear me say I don't have money. Right? And then one of the things you can do is just to condition yourself to the things you watch. You enjoy poverty content too much because it reinforces your identity. You feel at home with it. Sometimes just go on YouTube and search 1 hour luxury lifestyle. I'm telling you, you will think you like luxury, or you discover that you can't sit down for 1 hour to watch the lifestyle you say you like. Because your personality will fight it.
Wow.
It will repel that, no, this is not our reality. You will want to, you don't know why. You just want to go and watch. I wanted to mention him.
Oh, you don't want to?
We underestimate makeup. We underestimate. So you want to go through that discipline. See, even the people you don't like, you have to subject yourself to actually subject yourself to watching them.
This is my joy music.